Welcome, this is Redmi 13R, and in today's video I'll show how you can hard reset the smartphone through the recovery mode. So if you would like to wipe all files and data on your Xiaomi Redmi 13R, or perhaps you would like to remove the screen lock, so it might be a possibility that there was some screen lock set up on your phone and you forgot it, and now you cannot regain access to your system. So the solution that I'm suggesting in this video will fix all those problems for you, but please keep in mind that hard resetting your smartphone results in the erasal of all files and data. So before you do that, make sure that all the important data that you care about is promptly backed up or is laying somewhere copied and saved. So just keep in mind that all the data, all the files will be erased, and the phone itself will get back to its factory default state. With this out of the way, let's begin, the procedure that we were looking to do today. First, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys like that, then power off your device. Once the smartphone is completely switched off, simultaneously press and hold two buttons, the same buttons, volume up and side power key. Then once the Xiaomi logo appears, let go of the power key, but keep holding your finger on the volume up button until the recovery or main menu appears here. Now you gotta, first of all, as you can see from here, use the volume rocker to navigate and power button to confirm. So select the wipe data option here, then wipe all data, and then confirm. Now allow this process to be finished, and once you see the data wiped successfully message, you can get back to the main menu, and once you will reboot your phone back to its system to get it back to its normal mode, you'll get the initial setup process ahead of you. Or not you'll get, but you'll already have this process ahead of you, which we have a whole separate video about. So if you need any assistance or help with setting your system up during the initial setup, check the video that I've just mentioned. But as far as this particular tutorial goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.